Hello, my name is Suzanne Longstreet, and I'm a mindset and success coach. I'm also a designated trainer in neuro-linguistic programming and a hypnotherapist. Today I want to talk to you about your thoughts and a simple two-word phrase that you might be saying to yourself that is keeping you from the success that you want. And here's the phrase, I know. You know that you have absolutely said this to yourself if it comes out as you've attended if you read a book, for example, and you said to yourself, oh, this is not telling me anything I don't already know. I know everything that they're telling me. And so what happens is you tell your brain that it doesn't need to learn anything more, so it actually stops looking for the new things. So you actually program what's called your reticular activating system to stop looking for anything new because it's only looking for the things that it knows rather than looking for the things that it doesn't know. The other thing that might be happening is you've attended a webinar, took a course, or attended a lecture and thought to yourself, oh, they're not saying anything I haven't heard before. There's nothing here to learn. I know all of this information already. In fact, I do it better. And again, you're telling your brain not to look for anything new. You're shutting down all of those learning centers. You're shutting down your curiosity, your wonder, your excitement, and instead, you're now going to be focused on just the things that you already know. So it's going to reinforce what you already know. And it's not going to invite you to think about the things you don't know. You might have hired a coach or a mentor and then chosen to continue to do it the way you've always done it rather than try the way that they've told you to do. It's another way that we do the I know thing. And here's the thing. I know all of these things because I've done them. And so now when I realized what I was doing, when I was shutting down my ability to take in and absorb new information because I was using this I know phrase in my head, I realized, okay, what don't I know? And so now I listen for what I know and for what I don't know. So I now come to a lecture, attend a course, take a training, listen to my own coach, and listen for the things that I don't know. And when I hear that little voice that says, I already know this, I stop myself. And so I'm encouraging you to do the same. Because one of the things that I know is the most successful people I know continually learn and grow and look for more because they know that the more they learn and grow, the more they realize they don't know. So be open to, even if you've heard it before, be open to hearing it through new ears because you're different than you were yesterday, last year, or a decade ago. And there's always something new to learn. So when you hear yourself say, I know, stop, take a breath, and lean in and listen for what you don't know. And that will take you to your next level success. I hope this helps you. If you want to read more, you can check out my website at successandclarity.com and go to my blog. Have a great day.